be honest. Okay, let me just quickly put this in a picture for you guys. These little like gray parts underneath this like water is a golf cart path that is completely underwater. I mean, come on, this is like way even far away from the golf course. But I mean, after that storm, there's no more rules for the water. It just goes wherever it wants. Anyways, holy crap, do I have this on video? There is a huge northern right there, and I am in the water. Do you want a lure? Do you want a lure? Hello? I don't think he has an eye on this side.